going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
To those who purchased the Three Kids books, it's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because, guys, we are getting close to that main event. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, we're pulling back. But we know we have the Super Bowl today, and we know the Fed controls cryptos and stocks. So I have a feeling we're going to be moving up, but we know the indicators are going to let us know. But do not forget we have CME that opens around the same time we're going to be having the Super Bowl. So guys, we're definitely going to be on a wild ride. And then we have the stock market opens, and then we know we're going to move again. Depends on where yields at. And then on top of it, we have the Fed with their meeting. So I'm going to go over that a little later. But then, guys, we have Ethereum transaction fees are dropping by about 73%, but we know all that comes from volume. And just like I stated, guys, we have the Super Bowl tonight. I'm going to be bringing you a video tonight. And we know all sports are rigged. Now, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then plus we have the Fed. The Fed repo, make sure you keep an eye on that. We know that's how they're helping manipulate the actual yields. And then on top of that, guys, we have the closed door meeting on the 14th, which is tomorrow. So we're going to see what they're going to do. Do not forget, the Fed has to raise interest rates. They have to stop QE. And then they have to roll off this balance sheet. They have the Russia movie going on. We're going to see how long they're going to ride that. And then plus, guys, we have Grayscale. Do not forget to pay attention to Grayscale. Well, we know it let us know which way the actual market is going. They move lockstep with the actual Fed. And then we have BAC. Normally, BAC is in the middle of the month, guys. It has been moved towards the end of the month along with the regular futures. So it's going to be on that last Thursday, and futures are on that last Friday. And we know that was done for a reason. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Fidelity says investors are underestimating Bitcoin's huge upside potential. And yes, we know it has big potential. We know Bitcoin could have scaled and we wouldn't even have all these altcoins. We know in the white paper, Bitcoin was supposed to scale. The central banks took it over, and now we have Bitcoin Lightning. But Bitcoin and Ethereum were labeled as commodities, the reason why, because they're for the robots, algorithms, and drones so they can take over the economy. And then also, guys, we have Gary Gensler sends out a tweet. We know he's a New World Order chess piece. Says that Sundays are for talking about investing. And we know the New World Order doesn't care about a Super Bowl. They set up sports as a distraction for the sheep. And you know my second video is that's what it's going to be about. And lastly, we have The Economist magazine. Says sports betting in America is exploding. And we know why. Babylon, guys. We know America is broke. They are turning America into a big casino. Why? Because we know Asia, the emerging markets, they love gambling. And the shoe is about to be put on the other foot. Normally, Americans go to these other countries, spend money, and the people are poor in those countries. Now it's going to be flipped. Now the Americans are going to be the ones poor, waiting on those Asians to come over to spend money with them. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you know cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and where everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money. What they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.